Hello guys, so we are, yeah, it's a big, huge tourist attraction. This is the kind of, so this is the kind of things that fetches money for other people. It's a huge tourist attraction. We are the spiritual capital of the Ozalla people in Kano West local government area. We brought the BBC Igbo crew, the BBC Igbo service crew, to come and do sight and sound of Ozalla. Let me just do a 360 of the village square, so you guys see these huge trees. They've been here for forever. I'm sweating because we had to climb down into the place where there are crocodiles. There's a big lake where there's a crocodile, and we had to go inside there to get a shot of that. I'm gonna show you guys a clip of a chicken being offered to the crocodile. Some of you are gonna freak out, but well, that's the tradition here. For you to come in front of the ancestral shrine, you have to have something to offer to them. So we had to arrange for chicken to be bought so that it would give the BBC crew an opportunity to record the proceedings there. I have my brother here who knows more about this thing than me. He's a journalist. Alex, tell me a little bit about this place.
It's the first experience for me. The crew had to have a feel. They were really eager to see what was going on, so they had a feel of the Ngenani.
I'm also amazed at that. I couldn't believe that we had live crocodiles, many crocodiles in that small lake.
Sure. Yeah. So it was an interesting sight, really. Yeah. It's something.
We should develop this into a tourist attraction.
Yeah, it's something that should be harnessed. Yeah. You know, we should have maybe a toll. Yeah. Anybody driving in here will pay a token.
Exactly, to keep maintaining it and to keep feeding the crocodile.
Yeah.
So that's the BBC crew shooting their story, and we are just accompanying them. And when they finish with that, I'm sure you guys are gonna see the production on BBC Igbo service. So we need to go through this hut, right? Okay. So why? So that if you came with any bad thing,
the thing will just spoil.
It will just spoil. So the reason why we have to go through that hut is if you came with anything bad, poison, any evil mind, it will be nullified by that hut. So this place is old, as old as hundreds of years.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. So one of the rules is that people are not supposed to be double, right?
Yes.
Nobody
should jam each other.
Nobody should jam each other.
Yes.
Okay.
No, but here is where they do the sacrifice before we reach to the Ngenani.
Okay.
But the sacrifice has already been done in our house.
So let me show this ancient statues that's been here for so many years. This one, and then the one over. Let me point the one over there. So many years. Okay, keep on. We don't want to leave the crocodile. Let's keep going.
They wait for you people.
That's all right.
This side. Yes.
So we're going into the deeper part of the forest.
We are heading to Ngene River.
See these trees here. They're as old as this village itself, older than the village. Because now we've come to the deeper part of the forest. You need help? I can't touch you, sorry.
Touch me. Oh my God. Where am I going?
Keep going. We're going to the deep river. This is where the crocodile is. No, go this part.
Go straight.
You wanted to see the crocodile, right? So there are alligators here. Where you are.
Oh my God. Can I go back?
No, they are. There are alligators and crocodiles. No. Too far. Too late. So I need to show you guys something. Oh, sorry. So you guys, it's amazing. Amazing. The trees here are as old as you can imagine. A very thick forest has been preserved through the years. See how old these trees are? See the roots? And this stream that we are following is a stream that leads right down to the big lake where we have a crocodile. So we're almost there. Because if we cannot go here. Go, because they started calling out the crocodile. We don't want to miss that. I wanted to see it being called out. Let's walk faster. Because when it approaches, you're gonna miss that spot. I don't want to miss that spot. Oh my God. If we miss it. Oh my God, you see they're already calling out the crocodile. Which way? Did we miss? We missed it. It is sure. No. Nobody passed through here. Nobody passed through here. We missed it.
No, go
Straight. Let's not walk into a crocodile.
No.
Are they calling you to come out? First pass. You need to bend down. You need help?
You can't even help me.
Good. Oh yeah, come out. The thing has come out.
Hey. Remove your shoe.
Oji Ngenani.
Okay, let me show.
Oji akazu nwa. Eze nwanyị.
So now the crocodile is going to come.
Why not no one? Wish me why did I? Why jaggy joe? Well, no, why? Nkewe nke nwa fetara. Abara ta chara to jaggy diegu. Why jump from a John Gaga? Nkewe fetara. Oh, the number. What you don't know, cook a number. The Queen Homo with a room. Nkewe fetara. Nkewe fetara. Nkewe fetara.
Oh, so beautiful.
Yes, I do you. Yes, I do you. ọkpa ka azụ ụmụ ya nke wee bịa were nke wee fụtawa eze nwanyị ji mpọmeje na ngịga onoko nwanyị na-anụ nwanne nke wee ka bịa were lekwe na ọkwara unu ọkwa ihe na ọmụma chiri unu nwanyị na ọnụ m ga-ahụ ụzọ nke wee fụtawa ọkpa ka azụ ụmụ ya ngwa bịa eze nwanyị na-anụ nwanne osimiri nwanyị jiri eyi gbapụtawa nna ọka nwanyị ji igwe aha nchi nke wee bịa were lekwe ọ bụ ihe na-abụ o wetara unu biko bịa ka m gaa were bịanụ nke wee fụtawa eze ojii iyo gbapụtawa bịa lee nke ya bịa were eze nwanyị atụghị nke na mfụpụta nke n'ihe n'ụwa bịa were nke yi ọjọkwuwa ọgụ nke gị bịa were nke gị n'ọdụ ya abụọ eze ojii iyo nwanyị na-anụ nwanne ọkwapụ ihe narị ya lekwe ka na-atụ ya